Okay, Bambang banyak dapat email, messages and DM. People asking me how often they should wash their hair. So actually it all come down to scalp you. So it all come down to very simple experiment. Okay, sebenarnya you boleh belikan this blotters. I'm gonna use this to determine whether you have dry scalp, oily scalp ataupun normal scalp. Alright, okay. Dia ada dua condition that you have to meet when you want to do this experiment. Okay, first thing, you kena make sure you mandi pagi lah. So make sure you have clean scalp. Okay, and then second, no products. Okay, no products on the hair because sometimes product dia ada oil, so it might kacau with the whole thing. Okay, like it's very easy. So I need this blotter, simple blotter. You ambil, okay, alright. Do a very nice clean parting. Okay. So what you do is make sure you punya tangan pun clean, no products, nothing. Alright. So I ambil blotters ni, easy, and tekan. And then you count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Settle. Right? Buka. Okay. If you see there is no oil macam ni yang you tengok John. Okay. Clean lah. Quite clean. Okay. So actually tadi you bangun pagi, you mandi at around 8 o'clock in the morning kan? Yeah. Around that. Okay. Now it's around tengah hari. So there's no oil. So basically you punya scalp type normal.
Oh, normal. Okay.
Kalau right, if you were to do the same thing and then there's oil on the film, that means you punya scalp is oily. Okay, but this can be two things actually. Kalau you tengok dia dry, nothing on the sheet, okay, you have to try again.
Right. Okay.
You have to try again. At night, do the same thing juga. Okay, buka, okay, around 8 PM macam tu, you letak lagi sekali. By then should be ada a bit of oil kalau you normal. Tapi kalau you tekan lagi tak ada, maksudnya you dry, your scalp is dry. So macam you punya case ni, I think your scalp is normal. Alright. So senang je. When you know whether you are normal, dry ataupun oily, then you know what product to buy. Yeah. Okay. So in your case you boleh beli water based product ataupun oil based product. Yeah. Tapi kalau orang tu contohlah dia ada oily scalp, so you should avoid oil based product because it can do more harm than good. So I think itu saja. Okay, it's very easy. Try at home. Just buat sendiri. Make sure you meet the two condition. Make sure you cuci rambut bersih and no products. Okay, and then you do this. Alright, itu saja.